Hey everybody, so I wanted to give some quick instructions here on the Seed Saver article. This is just another close reading assignment. This time it's through Science World, so again, when you click on here, it should give you the option to log in as a student, and you'll need a password to be able to get in there, and I'll leave that password with the assignment. So here is an example basically of what the main page for it looks like. So it's entitled Seed Saver. It talks about this scientist who's working to protect Hawaii's endangered plants so they'll be around for the future. So after you are done reading the article, or as you're reading the article, you want to answer the following questions. Number 1, the scientist in the article manages a seed bank. What does the article mean by seed bank? Again, think about it in terms of how it's working in this particular project that this scientist is working on. Number 2, he says that the state where he works, Hawaii, is referred to as the extinction capital of the world. Why is it called that? Why would it get that title? Number 3, he mentions that many endangered plant species are endemic to Hawaii. What does endemic mean? So again, look at the phrase inside of there and it should give you a definition for it. Number 4, some plants have become endangered due to introduced species on Hawaii eating them. What are 3 animals the article mentions that are not originally from Hawaii but are eating the plants there? Again, these are things that would have come over probably on human ships for the most part, especially when Hawaii was being interacted with in terms of like age of exploration, that type of time period. Number 5, what is one of the solutions the article mentions that help the scientists reach areas of rough terrain when they can't get to them by walking? So they do end up going to some of these plants by foot, but they do have 3 different solutions that they can use to reach areas that are a little bit tough. So again, you just need to list one of them there for number 5. Number 6, the article mentions that the seeds have to be dried out and then put into a cool area for storage. Based on what you know about plants, why does this make sense? Why do you not want a plant to get too warm and wet? Just think about what happens to plants, especially seeds, under those conditions. And then number 7, the seeds in the seed bank need to be tested to see if they can still germinate. What does it mean for a plant to be able to germinate? So just think about that last part there. So again, I hope that this assignment is pretty straightforward as far as the reading with it. Again, look in the instructions on Classroom for the password to be able to read the full article. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can show up to our science department Zoom office hours every weekday, so Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.